So the plastic covers are already off because I had to change the parking light also. It's a pretty easy job. If you saw my installation video, that you know how I installed it, what screws are in. First of all, you have to put this away. After that, you can just screw out. This is the screw. We have also a dipstick in it, but I don't want to use it. I installed this catch can before 12 or 13,000 kilometers. It was 17th December at 2018. Installation video is actually after 2 months uploaded. That was my failure. I didn't have enough time for it, but we are here right now. As you can see, I have here and inside the liquid. It's actually, I don't know how should I say, it's oil, fuel, and didn't burn oil in the combustion chamber. And I don't want to explain it, how does it work, or why, if it's necessary to have one of these on your Lexus IS250. You have on the YouTube plenty videos, but like I said, upload after 10-11 months and 13,000 kilometers. I have also this one, and this is, I hope you can see, 304 gram. Right now I will wash it out and pour it out. I hope you can see this is pretty messy inside. It's actually not just oil, it's also some hard parts inside, but I'm really happy that was not going back to the motor. And here we go with the final result. It's washed out and dried. It's 213 gram. With that says, actually the final result is 90 gram. It's not 1 deciliter. This is a really big amount in my opinion. So that was all. If you have any question, please comment below, or you can send me also an email or something. I'm really happy if I can help you in a way.